Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. We're starting a little bit early today. I saw you guys coming in here. Some of you are coming from ATB. Welcome to the stream. I figured we hop on a couple minutes early. I'm eager. I'm chomping at the bit. Who do we got in here? All right. Let's check chat real quick. Mr. Ali, I never know how to say your name. I'm sorry. Welcome back. Jonathan, what's going on? John Connor, welcome back. Derek B. Crypto Anon, what is going on, my friend? Let's take a look here. Matt, welcome, welcome, welcome. James, welcome back. Bubba's welcome back. V Slim, good to see you. Good to see you. Let's see. Jonathan, welcome back. MC Crypto, what is going on? Neil, welcome back. Garrett, how are you? Daily, that sons, I can't really see your name. Welcome back to the chat. We got Tony in here modding. Thank you for that, Tony. Appreciate you. John Connor says, I prepare each day for the morning show around the blockchain, then Frankie Candles by planning meals to not interfere, all set up with two 42-inch screen TVs and a coffee. He's got his coffee. Guys, today's stream's energy is brought to you by a nice black cup of coffee in a camera lens. Don't know why it's in a camera lens, but here we go. Guys, we have a really, really, really good stream today. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at the altcoins, a couple that I'm keeping my eye on that I want to share with you guys. And we're going to talk, guys, that little pump, right? We had a little pump earlier. I'm going to talk to you guys about how you could have seen that before it happened, so you could have caught a trade, and you could have made a little bit of that, you know, that feta cheese. Could have collected a baguette right off of that move, if you know what I'm saying. I forget who it was. Someone in chat said they've been skipping meals because they're saving their appetite for the Sunday sauce here on the stream. So I appreciate that. I'm here to give you the sauce. Guys, we're in the New York Bagel Factory, as always, where I count the sesame seeds so you don't have to. We're making the best bagels in town. We're bringing that New York swag all the way to Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to get these guys on the good bagels. You know what I'm saying? The good bagels. Love Dinero. What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Love that name. Love that name. John, welcome. Crypto Benz, what's going on? Thomas, welcome back. At Frankie Candles, can you get bits? Can you get bits? Be tripping for BitBoy Crypto, please. Can you get bits? I don't know what that means, Thomas. I'm sorry, I don't understand what that means, but yeah, maybe I can. Let's see. Just closed out an ETH long in profit. Gotta go to work. I'll bring you with me. V-Slim, congratulations. We're going to be taking a look at ETH today. Congratulations on the trade. Love hearing you guys making money. That gets me all pumped up. Caught two 50% trades on Bitcoin and one on ADA. Crypto Anon out here crushing the game, guys. We got 76 viewers, 34 likes. Let's get those likes up there. We're gonna be spinning the wheel today. We're gonna be picking our giveaway winner. I know yesterday was a little sketchy with that giveaway because I didn't realize there was gonna be such a delay on the chat. We're gonna be changing the way we do that, but we are. I'm gonna stick to what we did yesterday for this specific giveaway for the Ledger Nano S. But we're going to be changing it on so it's nice and fair for everybody from here on out. I think in the next stream I'm going to put a poll out to see what you got, what kind of giveaways you guys want. Do you want NFTs? Do you want do you want ledgers? What do you guys want? I'm gonna see if I can get a poll on the next stream. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Okay, so starting here on Bitcoin, the big boy. So let's see. All right, let's start over. I'm just going to go over real quickly what we talked about yesterday because I do think it's very important. On the weekly chart, oh, look at that, guys. A little bit of green. Doesn't that feel good? This time right here, this downtrend felt like it was forever. Oh my gosh. But yeah, good to see a little bit of green. But yeah, guys, we have the weekly VWAP crossed over, printed the green dot as we talk about on almost every stream. So that is bullish, but I do want to point out for those who missed the stream yesterday, we did have this shooting star candle right here, this red candle with the huge wick to the upside. This is a bearish reversal candle. Typically, you see a bearish trend reversal. In this case, basically, you see that the price wicked all the way up. The price went up. That was when we hit almost 46K. And then the bears came in and they slammed that thing right back down. They call this a shooting star. So just to keep an eye on that, guys, that is a little bit bearish. You have to, this is on the regular candles. You guys always ask me why I use Heikenashis. I always say it's easier to see the trends. I switch to regular candles once in a while. This is one of the reasons to find stuff like this. So definitely worth keeping an eye on. We do have a nice, we are starting this week off strong with a nice green candle, but definitely don't want to discredit that shooting star. So keeping an eye on that very closely. 91 viewers, guys. Welcome to the stream. Let's get those likes up. We're at 54. Let's get them to 100. By the end of the stream, our like goal, let's keep it at 250. I think we smash through that almost every time. Let's try to get 300. We're going to pick our giveaway winner. We're going to be spinning the wheel of pain / pleasure. Pain for me, pleasure for you. So stick around for the end of the stream to see that. And yeah, so guys, we want to keep an eye on that shooting star candle. Just keep it in mind. But we did have that little pump, right? Let's go down to the 4 hour. So where are we? Let's go back to those Heikenashis. Oh God, so much smoother. Okay, so let's see. Where are we? Today is the 15th. This is the 4 hour. Okay, so guys, yesterday, we weren't really doing much. We were kind of moving sideways right here. As you can see, we were moving sideways for a bit, and then we had this little pump. Now, I want to talk about how you guys could have possibly seen this pump before it came. I know some of you are making pretty good gains out there on those ETH trades, Crypto Anon and V-Slim, making that profit. Love to hear it, but I do want to point out how you guys could have possibly seen this coming. So, guys, we've talked about this briefly in the past. I will be coming out with a video. Oh, big news, real quick. The spider line video is finished. It's edited. It is, we got the thumbnail, we got everything ready to go. If you guys want to see the spider line video tonight, if you don't want to wait till tomorrow, put hashtag Spider-Man in the chat so I can know that you guys want to see it tonight. And then, I'll go home. I'm always, I always tell you guys, if you want to see it tonight, I'll go home. I'll work after hours, you know what I'm saying, to get that video up for you guys. I teach you guys how you can draw the spider lines accurately. And at the end, I give you a quick tip on how to draw them quickly. But yeah. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And if you guys want to start day trading or trading with leverage, You can, in the link in the description below is my Femex referral link. You can click there and sign up. I do believe you get a deal. So then it does help with the channel just a little bit, costs you nothing. We'll really appreciate that. If you guys are looking to get started, definitely check that link down below. But back to Bitcoin here, guys. How could you have seen this move coming before it actually came? Now, remember these divergences. We're coming, we've gone over this in the past. Sorry, I'm all over the place, guys. Real quick. So the spider line video could come out tonight, maybe tomorrow, depending on how many Spider-Mans I see in the chat. But also, we also have the Fibonacci video where we go in depth on the Fibonacci. Really good info in that video as well. Probably going to be released tomorrow or the next day. But that stuff is all shot. We're getting cooking. We're getting the ball rolling here, guys. We're going to get the content out quicker and quicker as we go. But yeah, so the divergences, right? You want to be looking for price making lower lows. You want price to be coming down as momentum is coming up, right? The momentum waves on the bottom of this zero line down here. So if you were looking at the 4-hour chart yesterday, kind of hard to see because it's not that big of a move, but you do have price coming down, right? You do have price coming down here, and you do have momentum coming up slightly here, right? Creating that pinch point, not the alligator mouth. That's a bearish divergence. You want the pinch point. You want the lines to be converging towards each other. And when you see that, right, coming down, coming up, that is a lot of times a very good time to take a trade. Obviously, you want to try and use confirmations, but as you can see, this played out. And if you did take that trade, just roughly, that's 6.1%. Throw a little 10x leverage on it, guys. That's 60%. That's a lot of cake. That's a lot of feta. That's a lot of cheese. That's a lot of bread. That's a bagel and a half right there. Also, guys, I did figure out a way to replace these green dots on Market Cipher B with basically whatever I want, but I had them replaced with bagels. So hashtag bagel in the chat if you want to see these green dots actually be bagels instead of green dots from here on out. It's pretty funny. I don't know how I wound up figuring that out, but I was just messing around with the charts. Thought it was pretty funny. But yeah, guys, so bullish divergence on the 4-hour yesterday that you could have caught for this move up. There's the sauce, guys. I'm already starting it off early. We're only, we're only 10 minutes into the stream. I already gave you a little bit of the sauce. I gave you a spoonful here. I'm going to give you spoonfuls throughout the stream. So let's see. Yeah, so where can we go from here, right? That's the big question. Are we going back? Are we going back into the bull run? Are we going to hit 100K? I think it's too soon to tell. Coming back over here to the daily, right? So we have this, I'm just going to draw this rough right here, this rough resistance, right? I'd like to see a strong move past this trend line, right? It's at about 43,450. We did come above, we broke back down. Now we're trying to come back up. I'd like to see a strong move to the upside so we can break this trend to see some more upward price action. And if you guys don't always watch the stream or you're new, I do think that this weekly VWAP crossover right here does have the power to possibly bring us up, maybe to 48K, maybe, we got to get past 46, but maybe 48 or even in the 50s or higher. We're going to have to see how it plays out. Obviously, we do have a bunch of crazy stuff going on in the world, which could affect it. And, the charts aren't going to tell you that until after it happens. But yeah, I do think it has the power to bring us up, close to the 50s, if we do get a bullish case playing out here. So that is Bitcoin. Let's check chat real quick here. All right. Okay. All right. Hashtag Spite. Will says hashtag Spidey. I like that. That's how you know he's a Spider-Man fan. Tons of Spider-Mans. All right, guys. You guys are getting the spider line. Oh, God. I'm flipping my strings around here, guys. You see that? Whoop, whoop. All right. You guys got the hashtag Spider-Mans in there. I see you want them. I'm going to upload it tonight. So let's not waste time, right? We're not here to waste time. We're here to make money. So yeah. All right. You guys are getting the spider line video tonight. Done deal. You can take that to the bank. It will be up tonight. All right, let's see. I hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day, guys. I hope everybody went out with your significant other. You guys had a nice dinner. And, those of you who are single or didn't have somebody to spend it with, I hope you spent it on the stream with us last night. And I hope you spent it on the charts, right? That's the thing. You're single. You got extra free time. That's extra money-making time right there, baby. All right, so you guys are getting the spider line video tonight for sure. Let's see. Hashtag value. John Connor coming in with the hashtag value. Love it, love it, love it. I am going to cover these, right? When we see bullish divergences, bearish divergences, I see little things on the chart. I'm always going to bring them up, right? Because, you know, repetition is the father of learning. And, you know, I figure the more we talk about it, the more it'll kind of set in your head. And you guys will be able to easily recognize this stuff when you look at the chart. Let's see. How do you define a shooting star green candle on each side? The tall wick between them. Rich, so I'm going to come back to that, but we'll touch on the shooting star candle. Let's see. Smash the likes. Hashtag Bing Bong. Guys, I haven't said this in a little bit. Bing Bong. I miss Bing Bong. We're bringing it. I don't know why I haven't been saying Bing Bong. That's our thing. Hashtag Bing Bong value sauce. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Channel going. MC Crypto says channel going to the moon. MC. We're taking you with us. Let's go. Let's see. Hey, Brad said he caught it. I'm assuming he means he caught that Bitcoin move. I hope that is what it means. Hope you made some money on that, brother. Let's see. Making the bread. Jonathan says making the bread. Let's go. Hashtag bagels in the chat. I love bagels. What's your favorite bagel? Bubba's Crypto. My favorite bagel is an egg everything. You know, it's a bacon, egg, and cheese. Or a BEC, as they call it. Bacon, egg, and cheese, salt, pepper, ketchup, on an egg, everything. It doesn't get much better than that. It's got to be from New York. You know what I'm saying? They just make it better out there. They got that on lock. They got the pizza on lock. They got the bagels on lock. I do have to say it's easier to find pizza not in New York than it is to find good bagels. I will say that. The bagels are special. They're big. They taste different. They're just better. But yeah, bacon, egg, and cheese, salt, pepper, ketchup, on an egg, everything bagel. But we just make them down here in the bagel factory. You know what I'm saying? The New York Bagel Factory. Let's see. Love this channel, Frankie. I'm gonna send y'all some honey to be on the lookout. Oh, Blanchard's Bees. I appreciate that. I will totally take honey. I'll keep it on set, you know? Maybe next, you know, one of our streams will be, our energy for one of the next streams could be sponsored by honey. I guess that's what Blanchard's Bees is. I guess you make honey. Maybe you're like a bee catcher, bee collector. What do they call? Beekeeper? I don't know. But yeah, we love honey around here. We love honey and we love money. Let's see. Brad says 267% from the sauce. Let's go. Let's go, Brad. Making 267% off the sauce. That's why I give it to you guys, so you guys make the money. You guys can make money just like Brad if you tune into these streams and you know, you eat the sauce. You gotta eat the sauce. You can come to the stream, but if you're not eating the sauce, you know what I'm saying, you're not gonna make the money. Let's see. Oh, someone said no thanks. Keep the BitBoy green dots. What if I make it like a BitBoy logo? What if it's like BitBoy, the BitBoy head on the green dot? But they say keep the green dots. Maybe we'll just keep the green dots. But it would be funny if you could replace it with Ben's face. That would be funny. Let's see. Let's see here. Frankie gonna redo the blowout haircut at 50K subs. Let's go, Brandon. We hit 50K subs. Welcome back, by the way, brother. I'll tell you this, 50K subs, somebody clip it. When we hit 50K subs, I will come on set with a full blowout. When we get close, I'll have to start growing the hair out a little bit. My hair is kind of short. Not short, it's long on top, but it's shaved on the sides. You need that side hair to come up to complete the blowout. But yeah, 50K subs, you heard it here first. Clip it, hold me to it. If I forget, remind me. We're doing a blowout stream for 50K subs. Let's see. Aloha, Frankie, Jeffrey. Aloha. Hey, hashtag Bitcoin, Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Ask Jimmy Void about his new TA. His new tat. All right, I will. BX Bricklayer. I assume you're from the Boogie Down, my man. I can respect that. You got to respect the Boogie Down. Let's see. I'm definitely part of the Frankie Candles cartel. Let's go. Rich, you're part of the family. You're part of the family. All right. Moved my stop loss into profit based on your advice. Never thought of it before. Hashtag can't lose. John, yes. Oh, baby, there go the goosebumps, baby. You guys are learning, and you're keeping yourself safe while you're trading. That is the whole point of this channel, to keep you profitable, to keep you having good risk management, and to keep you making money. Yeah, baby. Super pumped to hear that. You guys are making money a lot. There's a lot of that in this stream. I love it. All right, guys. So let's take a look at, I don't have my stream notes. I wrote all these stream notes, so I don't have it with me, though. I completely forgot to bring it into the studio. But guys, let's give, you guys saw the video, top 3 coins that I'm keeping an eye on. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Atom, right? We love Atom. I love Atom. I don't know if you love Atom, but I love Atom. I love trading Atom. So actually, let's take a look at DOT instead. So let's see here. Let's come down. All right, on the daily, you do have the daily VWAP coming up, right? If you guys watch the stream, if the daily VWAP is coming up and you watched the Market Cipher B tutorial, you know what the VWAP is. You know what it means when it crosses over, each way. If it crosses up, usually you see a price movement up. And when it crosses down, it's a little more bearish. So you do have the daily VWAP crossing up over the 0 line, which is great. And it might be printing a little bit of a trigger wave right there. That could be big, right? So I'm keeping an eye on DOT. And then, guys, anytime I, just to give you guys an idea, sometimes when I look at the charts, I always say I start on the longer time frames and then I move my way down, right? So I take a look at the weekly, the daily. I look at the weekly a little less because it takes a week to print a candle. But I look at the daily, right? And then I move down. But when I do see VWAPs coming up, I will check lower time frames for money flow crossovers. Let's see, if you guys watched Ben's stream, a week or 2 ago, I don't know if you guys remember, he did mention there's a strategy where you have the 4-hour VWAP coming up and the 15-minute money flow crossover into the green, which is usually a very, very, very bullish signal. I've made a lot of money on those trades, and they're very reliable. Obviously, nothing's ever 100%. But anytime, you can see a VWAP coming, curving up, on the 4-hour, I always check the 15-minute to see what the money flow is doing. In this case, on DOT, the VWAP is coming down. But I agree, you can take a look at the 15-minute for fun. But yeah, if that 4-hour VWAP was coming up, right, like the daily is, you could come down to the 15-minute, 15-minute chart. To see if the money flow crossover is there. Sometimes I just scan the chart for that specific move on all the coins, right? I have a list of coins that are on Femex that I could trade with leverage, and I'll just kind of go through those coins. And guys, get the notebook out. Get the notebook out. This is the sauce. I'm giving you guys a whole cup full of sauce right now. So I have my list of coins that are on Femex that I just have on TradingView right here. I label all the ones that are on Femex a different color. This is a different account. On my other account, I have this. This is this is the work account, but. And I'll just go down that list and I'll just look for certain signals, right? Like what's the 4-hour VWAP doing over here? And I'll just kind of go down, look for setups on those coins, right? Like I don't typically trade Doge, right? But it is on Femex. So if I look at the chart and I see a setup and it looks like a good trade, I'm taking the trade, right? Because, you don't got to marry the thing, right? You're just trying to make some money, If you want to marry it, buy a bag and hold it. All right, so yeah, there's a little sauce for you guys. But yeah, definitely keeping a look on DOT. As you guys remember, I was in a DOT trade a while ago. I got stopped out deep in profit. I don't know what the percentage was. It was multiple hundreds of percent profit, but it was a massive move. So I do love trading DOT, so I'm definitely keeping an eye on Polkadot. Check in chat here. Just finished ATB. Excited for the Frankenstein's community. Chris, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming from ATB. We love our ATB family over here. Guys, 180 people in chat. Guys, smash the like if you want us to spin the Wheel of Pain / pleasure. And we're going to also be announcing our giveaway winners or a giveaway winner at the end of the stream. So stick around for that. And we're going to be talking about more giveaways. So guys, smash those likes. Smash those likes if you want to see some fun stuff go down at the end of the stream. Let's see. Frank, you the man. Nathan, I appreciate that. Let's see, 99 likes. Let's get these numbers up. Hey, Cultivating Craftsman. Cultivating Craftsman said it, not me, guys. We got 178 people in chat and 108 likes. Let's get it up, guys. Let's see. Adam has a divergence on the daily, just waiting for it to confirm. Svan Tomk. That is a hard name to pronounce. Let's take a look at it. What do you say? You say Adam. Actually, Adam is one of the other coins that I'm keeping an eye on. So maybe we see the same thing. Let's take a look at it. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Rich puts a YouTube play button. Let's go. G-Man with the bagel. Let's go. Hashtag Bing Bong. So if the money flow is green or going green, Yeah, so I'm assuming, Jesse, you're talking about the 15-minute, 4-hour. Actually, I think no. Okay. Um, but yeah, so I think you're talking about the 4-hour, 15-minute strategy. So what you're looking for is the 4-hour VWAP to be coming up, crossing up over this zero line, and then you're coming to the 15-minute, looking for money flow like this, where it's crossing from the red into the green. If you have both of those things happening on those two time frames, or a longer time frame and a shorter time frame, you could do it with other time frames as well. That's really what you're looking for those moves. I hope that answers your question. Let's see. Going to have 350 people in chat by the end of the week. Hey, Rich, I hope so. If we just got to keep reeling them in. We got to keep reeling them in. As long as we're giving out that sauce, people are going to come for the sauce. You know, people are hungry for the money. They're going to come for the sauce. All right, so let's take a look at Atom, right? Let's come on over to the daily, right? Daily VWAP coming up, like basically on everything. You do have the daily VWAP coming up, which is bullish. Let's see. Let's come down to the 4-hour. The 4-hour VWAP coming down, but you do have the money flow coming up. So, you know, I'm not too worried about that. Obviously, money flow can continue, curve back down and come down. But what did you say? You said daily bullish. Yeah, there it is. I couldn't pronounce your name, but yes, this is why I wanted to bring up Adam. So you guys know, right? If you just listened to what I said before, for the bullish divergences, you're looking for price to be coming down, and you're looking for momentum to be coming up, right? So you got this slanted line, right? You got this trend, this is trending up, right? And then you have price trending down. It's creating that pinch point, right? If you were to keep these lines going, eventually they would come and they would touch, and then you see the price go up. And as you can see, price coming down, momentum coming down. And look at that green candle. Can it bring us up? I think it might, right? And the longer time frames, on the longer time frames, these moves will typically be bigger than on the smaller time frames, right? If you see a bullish divergence on the 5-minute, it's not gonna, you know, you'll still get a nice move, right? If you're trading with leverage, you can catch those moves, but you know, on the daily, it'll bring you up much more than if you see it on the 5 minutes. So this is definitely bullish for Atom, and that is why it is on the list of coins that we're keeping our eye on. So yeah, thank you for pointing that out. I don't know if you, whoever said that, you had a very confusing name to say, but I don't know if you learned that on the stream. Doesn't matter. I'm happy you saw it. All right, let's see. Ada gang. Hey, Matt, Mark Gallagher. We are going to take a look at Ada. So hang in there. I just go with Phantom. Oh, you know, there was someone in the chat calling out Phantom yesterday. And I apologize because I saw your chat and I said I would look at it and I got off, and I literally, as soon as I got off, was like, no, I forgot Phantom. So we're going to look at Phantom. Actually, we're going to do it right now. Let's see. If you like green spikes, smash the likes. MC Crypto, let's go. All right, let's see here. Let's take a look at Phantom. Phantom. It's Phantom with an F, I think, right? Yeah. All right, let's look at the Binance chart. I don't even know if they're in here. I hope they're in here. Yeah, I hope they're in here. But yeah, we'll just take a look in case they rewatch this video. This is for you. I'm sorry I missed it. So here you go, Phantom. I actually used to hold a bit of Phantom. I got rid of it because it wasn't moving. I had it for a while. I wanted to buy something else. I was a little bit in profit, so I sold it. But yeah, all right. On the daily, right? Daily VWAP coming up. Like a lot of this stuff looks good, right? Come on down to the 4-hour coming down, but money flow actually curving up a bit more than the other coins. Yeah, does Phantom have a move here? Let's oh, what is that, the 4? Yeah, look at that. I mean, same thing as Bitcoin, guys. The more you guys watch this, the more you'll realize how much these other coins follow Bitcoin. But yeah, here you go. Bullish divergence from here to about there. Just roughing these out for you. And then from here to there, could have caught that move. But, kind of the same thing as Bitcoin. You're going to see these on a lot of the charts. But I just want to repeat it to you guys so you guys can, maybe next time you look at the charts, these will pop out to you. But yeah, let's see how much this can bring us up. I mean, that daily VWAP coming up can bring us up quite a bit. Also, you know, daily bullish divergence there as well, slightly. So definitely keeping an eye on there. Not confirmed yet, but looks like it might print that. I mean, this green dot's probably going to print in 49 minutes. So yeah, we'll have to take a look at that. Let's see. Megan says, thanks, Frankie. Anytime, Megan. I'm here for you. Let's see. Man, I need a coffee. G-Man. I'll share some of mine with you. If you guys like the coffee, did you guys like the coffee ASMR yesterday? I watched the stream yesterday. I like to rewatch it, see what I do wrong, guys, 200 viewers. Okay, just went down to 196, but that's okay, guys. We cracked 200 viewers. Smash the likes. If you guys want to spin, this doesn't count. If you guys want to spin the Wheel of Pain / Pleasure at the end of the stream for you know, some fun stuff. You know, we'll do some fun challenges, and we're gonna be announcing our giveaway winner at the end of the stream. But smash the likes if you guys want to have some fun at the end of the stream. Let's see. Jimmy Two Shoes, welcome back, my man. Hey, your boy, the BX Bricklayer, asked me to ask you about your new tat. I'm curious. Is it an Ethereum tat? Maybe. XRP? XRP to 589 tat? I don't know. Will Frankie show his bags when Ben does? John, show my bags when Ben does. What? I don't. You mean like the bags of the coins that I hold? I mean, I'll just tell you guys what I hold if you're curious. I don't know if that's what you mean, but I could let you guys know what I hold. I'd have to look at my thing, but yeah, I could let you guys know. I got no problem with that. I don't hold any microcap coins. That's the only thing I would not share with you guys, just because any microcaps that I hold, I would never recommend anyone buying. They're gambles, they're risks. I don't, like I said, I don't hold any right now. Not a good time to trade those. But yeah, very risky game. So I wouldn't share those with you guys because I wouldn't want you to get into anything sketchy. But I'll share like the ones that the ones that I believe in. Can you check Sheeb, please? Thanks, brother. Hey, MLG, we will check Sheeb. We will. I highlighted you there, so don't forget you. Let's see. Can we look at XRP? We're definitely looking at XRP, Rafi. Welcome back. Let's see. Cobra Kai says, hold my beer, Law. Hold my coffee. All right, let's take a look at Sheeb. I don't know if I have Sheeb on here. I'll just open a new one. Sheeb. Come on, internet. Come on. We're going with Binance, Tether US. Okay, so you're coming up to this resistance, trying to fight this resistance right here. Yeah, coming in at, you know, however many zeros, 3. I'm not going to try to count those. So you're fighting this resistance. You do have money flow and the VWAP coming up. This actually doesn't. I don't typically buy these. I don't think Femex has Sheeb on leverage, but you do have money flow curving up pretty smoothly, and you do have that daily VWAP coming up. That actually doesn't look too bad. But you are against resistance here. Let's pull a fib on this. You know, let's pull a fib on this son of a snitch. Haha! You guys thought I was gonna do it. I'm from New York. I don't have any filter. But you got to respect the YouTube gods. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's pull it. Let's pull a big fib here. Womp. Boom. All right. Not quite at the fib level here, but you are fighting this resistance right down here at about X03. I'm not going to count them. I'd have to get really close to the screen. But yeah, I don't know. That daily VWAP and the money flow crossover could be good. That could be really good. And we're actually going to see it close in 45 minutes live on stream. So we'll see what that means. XRP, we're going to look at it. I saw you in chat. Don't worry. I saw you. Oh, John Connor, you're talking about like portfolio. I'll show you guys the coins for sure. I don't really mind that. I got I honestly I maybe have a couple coins that people like wouldn't expect, but probably, I mean, to be honest, I hold a lot of blue chips. You know what I'm saying? I hold the good stuff long term. Most of the smaller altcoins or riskier altcoins that I had, I already took my profits out. So not much there. But yeah, I mean, I off the top of my head, Bitcoin, ETH. I do have a decent bag of XRP. What else? I got a little bag of Cardano. I got a pretty big bag of VeChain. What else we got? What else we got? I got some Elron. I think Elron's really good. They have a low circulating supply, right? That's really important when you're talking about the value of coins. Lower the circulating supply, the more rare it is, essentially. So I got some E-Gold. What else? Of course, I can't think of it on the spot. We could do it maybe next stream. I'll just pull it up and I could tell you guys what I have exactly. Would a strong warning not cover your ass when showing your micro caps? John, I don't know. You know, I can give a strong warning, but I don't think that's not going to stop. I don't know if it's going to stop people, and sometimes I don't know. Maybe we'll think about it. Yeah, I don't recommend buying micro caps unless you fully understand that these tiny, like I'm talking about the Doge. I always say this: the Doge, Elon, Lamborghini, Lamborghini, Ferrari, E-News. Like people make a lot of money on them, but you have to understand that there's not a lot of liquidity in these a lot of the time. So you make all this money, and your portfolio says that you 250 million extra money and you're worth $7 billion. But good luck selling that. Like no one's there to buy it on the other end. So you're not going to be able to get your money out. But I can't lie. I bought some. I've made some good money on some. I 54x'd on a coin that I'm not going to say, but. Yeah, I mean, you can win, but you just got to understand the money I put in, I was willing to just throw away. So yeah, as long as you guys understand that, I guess I could tell you. Let's see. Bubba's okay. I'm back. Was knuckle teeth. I love that. I mean, I've been in the same situation. Bubba's Crypto says, okay, I'm back. I was knuckle deep in some Nutella. I don't know why I thought that's so funny, because I've been in that exact situation. Sometimes you got to get that Nutella down. You know what I'm saying? I like that. What kind of strategies when trading market side for club? Order your confirmations before entering trade, exiting trade, if there is. Okay, ammo. We'll cover that. I'll come back to that. That's important. That's a good question. Let's see. Shibman, hey, we just took a look at. Oh yeah, well, Shib is still up on the screen. Yeah, we just looked at Shib. I don't know if you're asking me to look at it. But you have the daily VWAP and the daily money flow coming up, typically very bullish. Let's see. Do you use a coin tracker for taxes? I use a coin tracker. I don't use it for taxes, though. Probably will help out during tax season, though. Guys, 210 viewers. Thank you for being here, guys. Welcome to the stream. 144 likes, guys. Smash the like button. I showed a picture of myself with a blowout yesterday. It was super embarrassing. Totally regretted it 100%. As soon as I left the studio, I was just like crying on my way home. Like, why did I do that to myself? But I hope you guys got a laugh out of it. We're going to be spinning the wheel of pain. I don't know. We have our giveaway winners on here, but we'll get the giveaway winner out of the way at the end of the stream, and then we'll erase their names, and then we'll replace them with new challenges that you guys call out in chat. Hopefully it's not too painful. So yeah. That's what we're going to be doing. So definitely stick around for that. Time in the market better than timing the market. Cobra Kai, louder for the people in the back. Guys, time in the market over timing the market. It is very hard to time the market, especially the crypto market. So what they mean is, typically holding has been proven a profitable strategy. For traders like us or me, if you guys are traders, we like to pull the profits so we have more money to buy back in when it dips. And that's a very, very, very profitable strategy because you're just compounding your money. But if you just buy your crypto and hold it over time, you're going to be in the green in the future, most likely. Historically, every Bitcoin wallet, at the top of this bull market, anyone who bought the top of 2017, let me pull up the chart so you guys can just get an idea what this looks like, right? So let's go to the weekly, right? Boom, 2017, right back here, right? This was the top of the market, in 2017, right here. A lot of retail traders bought the top of this market, the very, very tippy top. They bought it at 20K and they were kicking themselves, thinking that they came down here, saw a pump. Oh my God, it's coming back. Oh wait, no, I lost all my money. It's coming back. Wait, I lost all my money. And then you got down here and you were like, oh my God, I'm never trading crypto again. I lost all my money. But if you had just held your bag, look where you would be today. Look at that. Look at that. You bought the top of the market, you just hold it. Look where you could be at the top of this market, right? It's up and to the right when you zoom out. This is what they say when in doubt, zoom out. Just zoom out. Go to the monthly chart, right? I mean, this thing goes up and to the right, right? People are panicking over here. People were panicking over here. People were panicking over here, right? Just hold it up and to the right, right? People are probably panicking right now as we came down. Oh my God, I bought the top. I'm losing all my money. Oh my God. You know, in a few years, if I had to guess, right, Bitcoin's probably gonna be somewhere over here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what that actual number is, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, let's check chat. Let's see. What's up, bro? Can you look at PBX? Oh, we got a Paribus guy in here. We got a Paribus guy, guys. PBX, yeah, we can take a look at PBX. I will highlight you so we don't lose that. PBX was one of those coins that I was watching, and I was like, I'm gonna buy it on the next dip, and then I didn't. And then I was like, I'll buy it on the next dip, and I didn't. I actually haven't looked at it in a while, so I'm actually interested to see where it is today. Maybe it's time to buy. We'll find out, but we will take a look at that. What about ETH? We're going to take a look at ETH, Canary Trader. I like that name. We're going to take a look at ETH. Don't worry about that. I have a screenshot. Lol, Crypto Anon. Let's go. Screenshot of my my hair in a blowout. I shouldn't have done that. I should not have aired my blowout on in the public. But yeah. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at ETH. We're gonna take a look at PBX. Let's check here. Cobra Kai says, "Preach, Frankie." Let's go. Let's see. What's the difference between hot? Oh, we could talk about that. Oh God, I'm trying to keep up here. You think AVAX gonna break 94 cents? We'll look at AVAX, PBX. I need to keep a notepad up here so I can write them down. PBX, AVAX, and ETH. Let's take a look at those now. All right, let's take a look at XRP first. Okay. Currently coming in at around 81 cents. Let's switch to regular candles, get the actual price. Okay, so actually 83 cents, right? The Heikin-Ashi candles take an average of the prices, so it's not exactly accurate, but you know, you could always switch to regular candles if you need the exact price. But all right, let's see. Okay. Yeah, so right guys, so just a basic thing here, right? So this line, this blue line I have down here at 60 cents has been you know, typically a pretty good time to buy. You know, even though we're trending down long term, if you're just day trading it or leverage trading it, anytime you come below this blue line, we usually come back up, right? We wicked, snapped back up, you know, bounce, you know, wicked back up, and then took a rip up here, you know, stuck it here, came back up, stuck it here, came back up. This is the weekly chart, obviously, probably not the best chart to show you guys, but let's come down to the daily. But yeah, so obviously this is a strong area that you know, could have bought it here. This is actually, we talked about this. I actually was saying on our stream when we caught that gala move, we looked at XRP too, and I was like, oof, baby, that's a time to buy XRP. The next day it just ripped. I was super happy that worked out. I know some people have made money on that in the chat. They were shouting it out on the next stream, so I was super happy for you guys. Glad I was able to point that out for you. Yeah, all right, look at her. She's coiling up like a rattlesnake. Look at that. Boom. Yeah, so guys, just so you don't get confused, right? This technically wouldn't count as a bullish divergence, so you might see momentum coming up, right? And you see that and you're like, oh, it's gonna go up. And that does play out. But ideally, you wanna see from this first, you know, momentum wave here, you wanna see price go trending down from there, and you can see we are trending up, right? So these lines are going in the same direction, like that and like that. That's not technically a bullish divergence, although if you did buy that, you still would have made you know, you would have caught that little move there. But just want to clear that up for anyone who didn't know. Guys, 204 people in here. Let's go. 162 likes. Smash those likes if you want to see me in a blowout. All right. So yeah, let's see. We're on the 4-hour here. Obviously, the daily's going to be coming. Okay, no, it's not. Daily view up's coming down. Oh no, it is coming up. It's just a very small wave there. Very hard to see. Yeah, guys. Oof. Yeah, you got the daily VWAP coming up with the money flow, looking similar to other things. I think this could bring us up. We do have a fib level at 87 cents. Probably going to be some resistance there. And you know, 85 might make a little stop there as well. But yeah, looking for this. What would that move be if you caught this all the way to the top of this fib level here? 7%, guys. You know, throw some 10x leverage on that. That's 70%. Let's see. It needs to be hidden from the channel. There's an admin account in the chat that is a scammer. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, yep, I see it. Hidden by, okay, yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for getting him out. Yeah, guys, by the way, just a general word here. I will never, ever contact you and ask you like for money. I will never trade for you. I will never ask you to give me money and then I'll flip it for you. Like, I will never take money from you ever. In the history of this channel, ever will I ever do that. So if anyone asks you saying that they're me, hey, send me ETH, I'll trade. Thanks for coming to the stream. You know, I'm gonna give me $100 or whatever. I'll trade it for you and give you the profit. I will never do that. You know, I think it's self-explanatory. Just don't give your money to people on the internet. And you know, if you win a giveaway, we're not gonna ask for money ever. Like if you win a giveaway, all I'll ask is if I have to send you something, I'll ask you, you know, for an address to send it to or a wallet to send it to. Never a seed phrase. Never give your seed phrases to anybody, but I'm sure you guys know that. But just in case anyone doesn't know, don't give your seed phrase to anybody. Lock that thing up. Let's see. I love when you guys say hi to each other in the chat. That's amazing. I love that you guys are making friends in here. 210, baby. Let's smash that like. Crypto Anon said it, not me. Let's see. Frankie Fibonacci. Mr. Alley says, Frankie Fibonacci. They do call me Frankie. I am Frankie Candles, but they call me Frankie Fibonacci once in a while. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Brad says you should go on the 4 yellow X exhaustion strategy. That's how I was about to catch the bottom. Yeah, so what he's talking about, guys, Brad is talking about the yellow X's, which is an indicator on Market Cipher A. If you guys don't know, Market Cipher A is, boom. Market Cipher A are these little icons. Let me clear this chart. Market Cipher A are these little icons, these little gold and red diamonds, this little red X, this blue triangle. And what he's talking about are these yellow X's right here. And I'm going to go over, I'm actually making a Market Cipher A video coming out very soon where I go over what everything means. Let's see. So let me see if I could find an area where this actually played out. So what he's talking about, these yellow X's indicate that there's going to be their manipulation. They indicate manipulation in the market and they are, you know, every time you see a yellow X, let me try to find a good, let's go to Bitcoin. Let me try to find a good example here. Yeah, here you go. This is a textbook example. The first 2 yellow X's are usually the worst, right? These are the ones, right? You know, so usually, like, say if you get a yellow X here technically, but you came back up a little bit before you dumped. But you know, you might get, say you got a yellow X up here at this resistance and you dumped, right? The more yellow X's you can see, right? You got a yellow X here indicating, like, these yellow X's, like, you do not want to see these. If you see these, they almost always play out. So you see the yellow X, right? You could guess there's going to be, actually, let's use the replay. Let's use the replay feature here. Let me switch to regular candles. Oh, we got dragged all the way over here. Of course. Okay. So let's use the replay. Boom. Okay. So we're here, right? None of that stuff ever happened. This is where the price is. And we're going to play it out here. Right, so price is coming down, and you're like, oh, all right, are we coming back up? And then, you know, this, once you see that yellow X, you can be pretty sure that you're not coming back up, at least before you get some more movement to the downside, right? So you come down, double yellow X, and then there it goes. It just free falls, another yellow X, you come down further. But typically when you get the 4 yellow X's, I think there were 5 over here. Yeah. Typically the first 2 are the worst. You dropped, right? And then the 4th yellow X or the 5th yellow X after that usually shows seller exhaustion, right? The bears are kind of getting exhausted out. You know, you get the 4 yellow X, they bring you down a bit, like a good bit. And then you start seeing the 4th one and you're like, okay, it's probably going to slow down. Then this one didn't really bring you down that much. And then there you go. And then you start coming up. So that is what, I forget who said that, but that's what they were talking about when they talk about the 4 yellow X exhaustion. strategy. So you can, if we are dumping that, that is, you know, you can try to find the bottom with using that strategy. You know, even if you bought here and you know, you messed around over here, took one last dump, but you got pretty close to the bottom. Pretty close to the bottom. What's the difference there? We are on, I think this is the 1 hour. So say you got in like right here. Yeah, I mean, you're within 5% of the bottom before the trend reversed, and you started moving back up. Okay. So I hope you guys learned that. There's a little sauce. Initiated by someone in the chat. Love that. If you guys ever want me to go over something, just put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. We'll look at it. John says, I love the, I can't see that word, familiar this chat provides. I don't know what that says. But yeah, I don't know. Everybody's friends in the chat. I love that, guys. We're building a real community here. You guys are interacting with each other. 177 likes, guys. We're not even an hour into the stream. We're already almost at 200. Let's race. Let's see if we can hit 200 before we hit an hour. That would be maybe a record. Let's see. Mana pumping. Let's take a look at mana. Mana. There it is. Let's go back to the Heikin-Ashi candles. Whew. Okay. All right. This is the 1 hour. Yeah. All right. Let's come down to the 30. Okay. Guys, this is I think that's the first time someone said something was pumping in the chat, and it actually was. Let's come down. I'd love to get close to the action, right? The low time frames. Look at this. Yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Let's see if anything was indicating that. I can almost guarantee you we had a bullish divergence on the 4 hour. There it is. That's a good one too. Look at that. Price coming down, right? Momentum coming up. Guys, notebook, get your notebook, get your pencil. This is the sauce. Coming down, coming up on the momentum. Boom. You could have caught that move, just like on Bitcoin. And this mana specifically, I mean, that would have been, you know, guys, you put 10x leverage on a 20% move, it's 200% profit. That's money. That is money. Yeah, we are pumping. Now, a lot of you might see, oh my God, it's pumping. Do not FOMO into a trade. Do not FOMO into the trades, right? You see this, you're like, oh my God, it's gonna go more. And then eventually it's gonna reverse and you're gonna get all scared. You're gonna exit your trade. You do not, I wish I caught this. I did, for your information, I am not in a mana trade right now. I did not catch this move. I will not be FOMOing in. You miss moves sometimes, and that's okay. It's gonna pump again. It's gonna dump again. You know, we make money either way. So don't worry about it. What you could do to kind of satisfy that, because like I know, you know, sometimes you're just looking to get into a trade, right? You're just itching to get into a trade, and sometimes you look, and that's how you get into bad trades. It happens to the best of us. You know, you want to get in on the action. But the better thing to do is to see a move, right? Again, guys, we're on the 3 minutes, so this isn't like, man, it's not like completely ripping to the moon right now, but it is pumping. But I'm just doing this so you could see the pump a little more exaggerated. So instead of FOMOing into this trade and inevitably getting wrecked, what you could do is, you know, maybe pull a fib or draw some lines, draw some horizontal support and resistance lines, look at market cipher B, but you could try to find the resistance areas that it's going to come up on, and you could combine that with market cipher B to see where you might be able to get a good short opportunity, right? You missed out on the long, but now you're early to the short opportunity, right? Everything goes up and then it comes down to retrace, right? So you're early to the you're late to the long move, but you're early to the short move. So you could keep a look out on this to try to find the short move. Boom, there you go. Little tip. Let's see. Jonathan says, hashtag tap the like. Be gentle, guys. Be soft. So remember, the like button was very sad yesterday. It's all alone with its thumb like this on Valentine's Day. And it's sad, so just be gentle. Be gentle, be tender. You know, just give it a nice little tap, maybe a little rub. You know, give it a little rub if you're creepy, you know? Okay, so long mana now. VSim says, okay, so long mana now. For the purposes of the safety of this community, I don't want to joke around and be like, absolutely. But yeah, long mana right now. I'm kidding. Do not long mana right now. I mean, unless you want to. Don't do it because I said it, though. But hey, if your plan tells you to long mana right now and you think I'm wrong, then long mana. Do you. You do you. I'm just here to help. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Frankie C with the sauce. Joshua says. Joshua, part of the familia, man. Part of the familia. Okay. Let's see what's going to be the top of mana. Gaz Top, I wish I knew. I wish I had a magic ball where I could just see that, you know, mana's gonna go to $11 and then that's it. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait till we break the all-time high, and then you enter price discovery, and then you just see how high it could rip. You see how high it could rip. You know what I'm saying? No FOMO. Rich says no FOMO. No mo FOMO. How can you read where the top will fall? Okay, so if you guys watched the stream yesterday, we were talking about the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So let me get rid of this. Boom, let me get rid of this. Okay. So let's see. This is the 5-minute. My computer is, look at this. My computer is being slow, guys. This is frustrating. I know Tony's crawling in his skin right now. Let's see. Nothing irks me more, right, than a laggy screen. Okay, so let's pull a fib here. Let's pull a fib. Okay, boom, boom. Let me come to a higher time frame. We're still like on the 10-minute here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. There we go. That's a little more manageable. Okay, so we'll come from this low. Guys, if you did not watch my my Fibonacci, or I'm sorry, my Fibonacci tutorial is not out, but I do touch on the Fibonacci in my support and resistance key levels video, finding key levels video. I do touch on the Fibonacci if you don't know anything about it. So definitely keep an eye out. You know, go take a look at that, and you can learn how to use the Fibonacci. And then we have another Fibonacci video, so many Fibonacci videos, another Fibonacci tutorial coming out showing you guys how to use it more in depth and how you can use it to trade. Okay, let's see. Let's go from here to here. Okay, so you're coming up to the golden pocket right here, right? This is kind of hard to point out, but right in between these two gold lines is the golden pocket right here, right? So on the longer time frames with the Fibonacci, you want to be really careful just trading off the golden pocket, because that, as I've said in the past, the golden pocket acts as very strong support and resistance, and people do trade just off of the Fibonacci, but you want to be very, very careful because you know, on the longer time frames, right? Everyone knows about the Fibonacci. It's not a secret tool. You know, there's hundreds, millions of people that use the Fibonacci. I don't know about millions, but a lot of people use it, and the whales know about it too, right? The whales know, and they basically what the whales will do. This is why I tell people, and I will talk about this in my Fibonacci video, so I'm not going to get into it too much here. But with this Fibonacci. The whales will basically, on the longer time frames, I don't recommend trading the Fibonacci or the golden pocket on the longer time frames, because what happens is when price starts to approach the golden pocket, you know, just for argument's sake, let's just say, you know, price is coming down, right? And it's bouncing off of the golden pocket, right? We're at the golden pocket. And a lot of the whales know that a lot of traders are going to have long orders set at the golden pocket, right? Because they want to catch that bounce to the upside in a long. But the whales know this, right? So what they do is they will, when it gets to the golden pocket, they will push the price past the golden pocket, liquidating all of those long orders, right? Those, as the price comes down, those long orders are filled, and then they push the price lower down past the golden pocket, and it liquidates all those longs. You get a big price movement to the downside, and then they long it and they ride it on the way back up. So a lot of times you'll see us wick past the golden pocket and then come back down and reject down. Obviously not 100% of the time. Sometimes you just rip right through it. But that's why I don't recommend trading on the longer time frames with the Fibonacci. But on the lower time frames, it's a little easier to use it to trade. But it is also good to see where there's good levels of support and resistance, right? So we are, right, so we did wick past this golden pocket, right? We have wick past it. This is the 4 hour. And so, you know, you might see this and be like, oh my God, we're breaking out, but you got to be careful that the whales are not just pulling their little move and stealing everybody's money. So there you go, another little sauce. I'm giving you guys a lot of sauce today. Hashtag value in the chat. No, hashtag Bing Bong in the chat. Hashtag Bing Bong. Bring back Bing Bong. BBBB. Or B cubed, or I don't know how you say it. But yeah, hashtag Bing Bong in the chat if you're learning stuff. If I just taught you a little trick there. But yeah, this is a good way. The whole point of that was the question was, how can you find out where to look for the short? How do you know where it's going to hit the resistance? And you could do it, multiple ways. You could have the lines of horizontal support and resistance that you drew. You'll know how to do that if you watched the Finding Key Levels video on the channel. But also you could pull a fib, see that we're coming to the golden pocket. So, maybe we're going to reject off of here, right? And then come back down. And let's say if you did just short the golden pocket, let's say you get in at this price right here and you ride it down and it hits the bottom of this fib level here, the 50% Fibonacci level. It's actually not a Fibonacci level, but if it comes down to the 0.5 level, that's 3%, guys. That's the beauty of trading with leverage, is you don't need massive moves to make massive gains, right? Because with 10x leverage, that 3% move is a 30% move, right? And it can happen very, very quickly. So just that's just a little word of just a little tip there, Maybe it's gonna cool off. But we'll have to see. Obviously, anything can happen. Let's see. Hashtag bang bong. Hashtag bring back bing bong. Tons of bing bongs in the chat. Let's go. Super pumped you guys are learning. Love to hear that as always. Let's see. Yes, Jonas. You don't have the golden pocket. I show you guys how you have to change some settings. I'm giving you guys the sauce here, right? I work hard on these pre-recorded videos. I'm gonna give you one more tip, a little teaser for the Fibonacci video, which will be coming out probably tomorrow. What you have to add it in settings, right? So you got to come to the settings on your Fibonacci. And then you got to come down here and, this will probably be checked off like that with a random number in here. All I did was, you just got to check it, erase what's in there, and put 0.65. There you go. That's the last little piece of sauce you're getting from the video. You guys got to watch the video to get the rest. But I didn't want, because I did say I was going to tell you guys how to do that in another stream, and I totally forgot. So there you go. I'll give that one to you. It's a freebie. Frankie's freebies. Let's see. Rick says, you've already taught me more than my high school did. Hey, Rick, join Frankie Candles University. We're making a accredited school. It's going to be Frankie Candles University, and we're going to be binging and bonging all over that place, drinking coffee, making bagels, and making money, making bread all day long. And there's only one prerequisite, and that's that you gotta like crypto. You gotta like crypto. You gotta like making money. That's the only test you gotta pass to get into my school. So yeah, happy to hear that. Yeah, I think the education system is broken, at least in this country. I think we're teaching people the wrong things. You have kids in high school can recite all this stuff that they're never going to use in their life, and they barely know how to make a dollar. It's crazy. I think it's broken. We got to totally redesign the school system. And I think college is in danger too. This is not what the stream's about, but I think college is in danger, right? People are learning on YouTube. People are learning through videos. People are taking online courses that are a fraction of the price, and they're learning better information. It's just if the education system's in a bad situation right now, I'll tell you that much. Jonathan says Bitcoin's pumping on the 1 minute chart. Let's check it. Oh God, did we miss the pump? Oh no. Oh my God, it's ripping. I'm kidding, guys. It's the 1 minute chart. It's okay. But we are getting a little pumpski here. That's nice. That's what we like to see. How close are we to this daily candle printing? Guys, 15 minutes for the daily candle. We're printing that green dot. Will we confirm this green dot? That would be very good. Money flow coming up. Let's see if we can confirm that green dot on the daily for Bitcoin and get some more upside, for Bitcoin. Guys, 200 likes. Let's get it to 250, and we're spinning the wheel. We'll spin the wheel for every 100 likes we get, I'll add a spin, right? There we go. 210 viewers, guys. Welcome. We're going to be announcing our giveaway winner at the end of this stream. They have won a Ledger Nano S. We're going to be giving another one away next week, as well as some Cardano NFTs at some point. We're just trying to figure things out here. We're going to how many giveaways are we going to do? 1 a week, 2 a week? Who knows? But yeah, so stick around for that, and we're going to do some fun challenges and fill in the wheel. All right, let's see. Slamming the sauce. Crypto Sasquatch, welcome back. He's slamming the sauce. So saucy, Mr. Ali says. So saucy. Thanks, Campbell Crew and Sensei Frankie, the best. All right, love it. Jonas, no problem. We're here to teach. We're here to learn. We're here to provide value, and we're here to make money. We're here to make the money. What do we got? We got 200 likes. $200 for you guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm tipping you guys. I'm tipping you guys. Also, we're getting monetized on the channel, so super chats will be available very, very soon. So we reached our watch hours that we need, thanks to you guys, and we're going to just apply for monetization. Once that goes through, you guys should be able to send super chats. I know a lot of you were asking for it, so just a little update on that. We have figured it out. Let's see. I hated all school, but I would go back to Professor Frankie Candle's college. All right, let's go, John. Yeah, we're not running it like a traditional college. We're having a good time. We're having a good time in my college because we're all making money. So, you know, we're gonna have fun in my school. Matic just hit the 236 level. Okay. Don't need to borrow against your life to do it. Yeah, exactly. Rafi says, preach. Jimmy Two Shoes says, let's go, Brandon. Is he here? Is Brandon here? I think Brandon's here. I think I saw him before. Let's see. Crypto Ana, you got that right. Can you show us Market Cipher B you use? The TradingView free one doesn't match the one you use. Yeah, Scott. So, you know, there's everybody and their grandma is trying to copy Market Cipher. I don't know what CryptoFace was doing over there, but it's not easy to clone. I'll tell you that much. The free ones are similar. They're not the same. But listen, if you're, if you're on a budget, you got to use what you can use, but just make sure you're using a good one. But yeah, they're not the same. It's not the same thing. I'm using the actual Market Cipher. It is paid. I think it's $600 for a year or $1,500 for a lifetime. I'm not super confident on those numbers, so maybe go check the website. But yeah. But hey, if you can't afford to get that, you could hop on the stream, ask me to look at your coin, and look at that. You got Market Cipher B. You could even screenshot it to look at everything, and then compare it to yours or whatever. But yeah, no, this is the paid version of Market Cipher. This is the real Market Cipher. It is different than any of the other clones or fake ones that I've used. It's much different. But yeah, it's very, very powerful, very powerful. So yeah, I guess the answer to the question is the actual Market Cipher. Let's see. Jonas up 130% on AVAX. Let's go, Jonas. Jonas, you getting money. You getting money. We're throwing money for you. We're throwing money for you, Jonas. We're throwing money for you. Let's go. Jonas is making money, baby. Let's go. The chat's making money. That's what we like to hear. All right. I'm going to have to clean that up later. Low-key regret that. But it was for Jonas. He's making money. Let's see. We're pumping, folks. Cobra Kai. We're getting a live pump. I love it. What are we at right now? Bitcoin coming in at 44.5. All right, let's go. Okay. Let's see. To the moon. Green dot. Is there a way to get free Market Cipher? No, I don't think there is a way to get a free to get the real Market Cipher for free. I don't think so. Not that I know of. Yeah, $600 for a year, $1,500 for life. Let's see. But hey, guys, think about this, right? $1,500 for life. So you pay $1,500, right? And it's an investment, right? You pay $1,500 to take a class in college, right? Probably more than that. And I can't tell you a class in college that's made me my money back on my investment, right? So you pay $1,500, but if you're able to trade and make good money, you're spending money to make money. And as long as it's money in, more money out, and then money in, I don't see a problem with that. And hey, if you don't want to commit to $1,500, you pay the $600, try it for a year or 6 months, whatever it is. And if you don't like it, then you don't have to pay. You don't have to continue to pay, is what I mean. Let's see. Derek B says Bitcoin crashed $100. Bitcoin dumped $100. It's crashing. Let's see. Yeah, it's not cheap. You're right. It's not cheap, but it is. It works. I can attest to that. I can personally tell you that it does work very well. Let's see. Show me the money. Bullish Crypto Mike says, show me the money. Show me the money. I just threw the money for you, Mikey. I just threw the money for you. Let's see. What's going on, Matt's Market? What's going on? Welcome to the stream. We're happy to have you. Frankie, can you check QNT? Yes, we can look at QNT. I'm highlighting you so we don't forget. Is our Market Cipher F? Frankie, oh, yeah, there you go. Frankie is our market cipher. Absolutely. I'll be your market cipher. You come onto my stream and I'll be your market cipher for you. You tell me what you want me to look at and I'll look it for. I'll even read it to you. All right, let's see. Yeah, $1,500 for life. That's a deal of a lifetime. Blanchard's Bees, I agree. Quant, we're gonna look at QNT. Yeah, from what I've seen, $600 is cheap. Yeah, for sure. It's also a tax write-off. XRP pumping. All right, we got 2 XRPs pumping. XRP. Okay. All right, guys. We're going. Am I gonna get there? Am I missing it? Am I missing my move? Where's XRP? Boom. 80. Oh yeah. All right, coming down to the 1 hour. Okay, look at that. Boom. Okay. Look at that. I like it. Yeah, printed that green dot. Okay. All right, let's come down to the lower yeah, look at that. Yeah, guys, so right with Market Cipher, you can see right here, right, so you have this big momentum wave down here, and then we came up, got rejected down, but you know, we came right back up. Usually when you see these little trigger waves, you're in for a move to the upside, and then this time it came down, couldn't even cross the 0 line, so we printed the green dot right there, and it just went. Let's go over to the 15-minute. Yeah, look at that. All right. Did I delete all of my lines off of here? I did, didn't I? I did it so you guys can see better. But now, I could have seen where the resistance would have been. What did we say? I think we said 85 might be a little resistance, and then 87, I think is what we said, right? Let's see. Let's pull the fib again. I think it was... okay, boom, coming from the high, right, coming to the low, right there, boom. There you go, coming into the golden pocket, guys, coming into the golden pocket. And look, here you go. This is the 4 hour, look at that. Let's come to the daily to look at that. So look, there you go. We came up to the golden pocket, right, shot through, and then came right back down, right? So we're coming in. Will we reject off the golden pocket, or will we break right through? That is the question. But yeah, so what is this? This is, yeah. This is let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so 85. Yeah. So we're going to face some resistance here. Let's see if we can crush through it. Maybe we can, right? We do have the daily VWAP coming up. So yeah, look at that. And the money flow. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, baby. All right. I'm into it. That money flow is crossing over with the VWAP. I love it. Guys, this is bullish. Let me go back to, what was that, the 4 hour? Or that was the daily. Yeah, you got the money flow and the VWAP coming over. That's bullish, guys. That is bullish. Let's see if XRP can go to the moon, guys. Is XRP going to win the lawsuit? What do you guys think? Frankie, dude, love what you're doing. Love the value and the hashtag Bing Bong. Lost profit. I appreciate you. And I'm going to keep giving you the hashtag Bing Bong value sauce as long as you guys keep coming back. You guys are getting the hashtag Bing Bong value sauce every time. I'm throwing money in the air. Clip that. If anyone's watching, clip the money fall, and that's always fun. All right, let's see. Crypto Anon said, "Oh yeah, I'm opening a long on XRP." Let's go, Crypto Anon. Let's see. Really nice to have a leader and a crew like this. Absolutely. Yes, XRP. Yo, hey, yo, Goomba, Benji, what's going on, man? What's going on? Yo, it's Goomba. It's Goomba Benji. That's what they call him. Let's see. Not sure that the lawsuit will ever end. And yeah, Memphis Nick. That's what it feels like, right? I mean, this thing's just never gonna end. It's just gonna happen forever, and XRP is just gonna sit there. Or, you know, maybe it becomes the central bank, what the central banks use, and it goes to $589. I'm kidding. It's not gonna go to $589. But hey, hopefully they win and it can go up. I got a big bag of XRP, and I'm not selling. Clip it. I'm not selling. I'm never selling my XRP ever. Except when it goes up, I'll sell it. But I'm not selling it until the lawsuit's over and it rips. Getting worked up here. Okay, taking a sip of that good old black coffee. Guys, I only drink my coffee black. I only drink the coffee. It's the only way to do it. My dentist told me not to. But you know what? My dentist is in New York. I'm in Atlanta. So get out of my face. I'm kidding. She's a very nice lady. I actually like it a lot. Anyway, Frankie going to start packaging that sauce. Oh yeah, guys. Frankie Value Sauce is coming to a freezer section near you in your local grocery store very soon. Your Walmart, Kroger, Stop and Shop, whatever you got near you. We're getting into all the major retailers where you can get that hashtag Sunday Value Sauce, and then you could just eat it, and the knowledge just comes into your head and it just bakes into your brain. So you don't have to watch. You just eat that, and there you go. All right. Let's see. Good community you're building, Frankie. Cobra Kai, yes, I love this community. And Cobra Kai, you are a big part of that. You're a big part of that. But yeah, I love everybody. Oh, I got you, Gene. PBX. I'm doing it right now. Whew, baby, almost missed it. I got you, though. KuCoin, okay. We got it. It's up, so we will look at it. But I'm going to come back to chat for a second. Yeah, you guys, this community in the chat is amazing, guys. We're growing every single day. And you guys are really communicating. The Discord, guys, I think the Discord is going to be huge for everybody. We can, I can jump in there, throw some sauce in for you guys, let you guys know what I'm thinking. But you guys can communicate with each other, learn off each other, show each other TA. What are you looking at? What am I looking at? What do I see differently? Maybe someone's a little more informed than the other one, and someone makes a mistake. You can correct each other peacefully, right? Nicely. So yeah, I'm really excited about the Discord community. I think that's really where this whole community is going to come together super, super hard. 240 likes, guys. We're 10 likes away from the goal. If you hit 250, we're spinning this thing, whatever it is. Wheel. Okay, yeah, wheel. That's what it is. Hashtag value. Let's go, Ammo. Let's go. Ammo, I don't know if you asked something in chat. I said I would cover it. I don't remember what it is. If you want to throw it in there again, I will. Can't wait for the Discord. Ammo. Yeah, you'll be one of the first to know. How high do you think XRP will go if they win the lawsuit? I don't know, man. Let's try and get to the last all-time high first, and then we can talk about where we think it's gonna go. But yeah, let's just see if we can get close to the all-time high. That would be nice. Bing bong, smash the likes, please. John Connor said it, not me. John Connor. Let's see. I used to know a Joe Connor. John Connor. You have a brother Joe, cousin Joe, live in New York, working. All right, let's see. Discord would be great. Yes. Daddy wants that ledger. I got a lot of them. I got a lot of ledgers. We're giving away some of them. But yeah, we're gonna pick that giveaway winner at the end of the stream. And then we're gonna be giving another one away next week. And if you guys want, I think we might hit 5K subscribers by the end of the week. If we hit 5K subscribers by the end of the week, I will be giving away a Cardano NFT. So definitely stay tuned and keep an ear out and an eye out for that, because that should be very, very fun. All right, let's see. Okay. Ben said $30-ish. Yeah, like I said, let's see if we can break that all-time high first, then we can talk about where we think it's going to go. Also depends on how the lawsuit ends, right? There's outcomes of the lawsuit that could maybe send it higher. If it's just kind of like a meh ending and they're just like, yeah, it's not a security, but you guys can go. Then it's like okay, like it's probably it's gonna pump, but maybe it comes out where it's like, oh my God, you guys are like XRP is the only crypto that has regulational clarity. I don't think that'll happen, but that in that case, it would change the price action a lot. So it depends on how extreme the outcome is. Let's see. Go buy a used one on eBay, lol JK. Let's see. Rich wants that ledger for his grandson. All right. Well, hopefully we can get it. Hopefully we can get it to your grandson. Let's see. Boom. NFT me, baby. Yeah, Eric, we will be giving away NFTs on this channel for sure. And then Jimmy Two Shoes over here with the hashtag Bronx Bitcoin Bulls saying, do the like smash, guys. Do the like smash. But we are being tender. We're being nice with it today because it was sad yesterday because it was all lonely on Valentine's Day. So we're going to give it a nice little rub and a tap. Okay. Boss Cat Rocket Club? I think those things are like BJ, actually, who works here. He runs all the live streams and stuff. He actually just sold his Boss Cat for like 20K. So big come up for BJ. That's awesome. We love to hear that. He actually came on stream. He crashed my stream, but we let it happen because he made 20K on an NFT. He came in with that breaking news. So what better time to say it than you got to tell the internet, right? Anyway, you could teach us how to use the RSI instead of Market Cipher for those that can't afford it. Yes, Nathan. By the way, guys, I don't just cover Market Cipher on my channel. Also going to be covering a lot of traditional TA, like, Fibonacci retracement. Everybody has that. That's free to use. Drawing your own horizontal key levels, that's free to use. Anyone can do that, obviously. So we're going to be doing a lot of traditional free stuff and unpaid. We'll do paid stuff, free stuff. But yeah, we could talk about the RSI. Because as I was saying in my market cipher tutorial, you could kind of think of when, these momentum waves come above this white line here at 60, you could kind of think of that as overbought. And then when you come below this negative 60 line down here, it's kind of like oversold. So it's kind of similar. There's a lot more that goes into market cipher B, but that specific thing, you could kind of think of it that way. So maybe when I talk about, oh, guys, you see this momentum wave up here, you could kind of think of that as the RSI. But it's not exactly the same, so just keep that in mind. Let's take a quick look. BJ Rocks. How do I join the Discord? Download the app, Rick. The Discord's not up yet. Just that's important. It won't pop up because it's not made yet. We're getting it. It's in the works. We're getting it up as fast as possible. They say they love BJ Rocks, DZ2. Absolutely, both cool guys. Market Cipher giveaway. Yeah, maybe one day when we hit soon, when we hit like a big goal, right? Maybe 20K subs, 10K subs. I don't know. When we hit a big goal, maybe we'll do a Market Cipher giveaway. I love your live responses when he announced 20K sale of NFT. If you listen closely, John Connor. Oh God, that just kind of gave me goosebumps for a second. You guys heard that, huh? Fumbled my language a little bit there. I did kind of save myself though. But that was funny. I didn't realize until now that anyone caught on to that because I didn't see anything in chat. But I guess John caught on. Johnny Bag of Donuts caught on there. He's a quick. He's witty. He's quick-witted. Okay, PBX. Take a look at it. I'm sorry, I forget who said that, but we are finally doing it. You've probably been waiting for so long. All right. So on the daily, VWAP obviously crossing over. Oh, let's check. Actually, real quick. I'm coming back to PBX. I swear. There you go. Green dot confirmed on the daily, guys. There it is. Money flow curving up. Daily VWAP crossed over. There it is. So boom, that's beautiful. All right, back to PBX. Let's take a look. Okay. So yeah, you got the daily VWAP, right? Could bring you up a bit here. Confirmed the green dot. Let's come on down to the 4 hour. No bullish divergence on the 4 hour like Bitcoin. Almost. This wave came down just a little bit lower. You do have the 4 hour VWAP coming up right now. So let's check our 15-minute naturally, right? Let's look for the money flow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You do have the money flow crossover. So we'll go back to the 4 hour, grab our horizontal, or this is a vertical line, not a horizontal line, guys. I swear I know the difference. There you go. Vertical line, 4 hour, come on down to the 15-minute, and look at that. You do have the crossover. Typically, sometimes, guys, it works out where the VWAP crosses over like at the exact same time as the money flow. But, that could, maybe that 4 hour VWAP could bring us up, that could bring us up a little bit in the short term or shorter term. Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, I think you could come up. I think you could come up a little bit. You come up here to about one, point. You come up to 1 cent. You might, that's kind of another level. But yeah, let's see if we can get up to like almost, 0.017 cents. It's so funny when you have these super, super cheap coins. But yeah, let's see how much of a move would that be from here to there. Yeah, a little 7% move. I mean, I'm sure you're not trading it with leverage. I don't think you can trade PBX with leverage anywhere. But yeah, I think you could come up in the short term. You could, it looks good. It looks good. Your money flow's crossing back over on the 1 hour. Money flow kind of generally flowing out on the 30-minute, like lower time frames. Let's see. You're probably in the red. Yeah. All right. So money flow coming up there. Money flow crossover there. 18-minute money flow crossover. 30-minute. You were coming down, but it is curving back up. I don't know if you guys can see that. The money flow is starting to curve back up. So that could be good. But generally on the lower time frames looks pretty good. Yeah, I think you've come up a little bit on PBX. Obviously anything can happen, but yeah, money flow coming up on the smaller time frames. You have the VWAP crossover on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, and I'm sure on the that 4 hour. I think you got room to come up there on PBX. I'll be honest with you. I'm just being frank. Let me be frank with you. I think you're coming up on PBX. But obviously, protect yourself. Anything can happen. This is not financial advice. So just always remember that. All right, let's see. Also, audio engineer here at Mark Stone. All right, let's go. Frankie knows, teaching us about his secret sauce. Richie, you're getting the secret sauce every single time. Sometimes you're getting a Ledger Nano S. Sometimes you're getting a little spoonful of sauce. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, guys. When we have meetups, like when maybe we'll have like a little my little area where everyone comes up. Like Ben has his area, DZ has his area. Maybe I'll just have a long table set up with a bunch of macaroni and sauce, and then you guys just all come down and we just kind of have, you know, Sunday dinner together, and we could just talk charts. You know what I'm saying? I think that'd be funny. And we'll have a big candelabra in the middle of the table. Frank, oh yes, QNT. I got you. I got you. I'm out here trying to please the people. Looking at QNT, I did, you know, kind of forget about that for a second. All right. Daily, right, guys? Daily usually going to look very, very similar. VWAP coming up. Money flow not crossing over, you know, quite as well as, you know, on XRP and what was it? It was actually Sheeb. But you do have the VWAP coming up. So let's see here. Looking at the 4-hour. You know, VWAP coming down, money flow coming up. It's got the VWAP coming down. Let's check the 2-hour. Money flow coming up. Money flow coming up. Okay, these are probably coming down again, right? Yeah. I mean, yeah. This one's kind of hard to. Boom. Okay. Yeah. What's the? Yeah, you got the 4-hour view. Maybe you come down a bit. You did come up a little bit here on the 4-hour. Maybe you get a little rejection off of this little level of resistance here. You are dealing with little resistance right here. Sorry for that very, very messy line. But yeah, you're dealing with a little resistance there. Maybe I could draw it a little better with a horizontal line. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, maybe you come down a little bit. Maybe you flip it to support and come up. But yeah, the 4-hour VWAP coming down. What's the 1-hour? Yeah, maybe you come down a little bit before you come up. You know, yeah. So that's quant for you. Quant USDT. Let's see. I'm also holding VeChain long, but how's the short term looking? Let's take a look at VeChain. I actually haven't looked at that in a while. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. Who's holding VeChain? Hashtag VeChain if we got any VeChain holders in the chat. Yeah. I want to see the hashtag VeChain army. Oh gosh, was I really behind on that chat? Okay, yeah, I think I might have been really behind on that chat, but I'll take a look at VeChain for you. Coffee, baby, coffee. Okay, VeChain. Okay, enjoying, you know, the fruits of Bitcoin's pump here. Love to see that. Okay, yeah, coming up to a little bit of resistance here. 4-hour, this is 6 cents, coming up to a little bit of resistance. VWAP coming down, right? VWAP coming down, so maybe we cool off. You know, right here, maybe we cool off a little bit before coming up, and then eventually, hopefully, breaking out. Let's check the 1-hour. Yeah, I mean, guys, a lot of the altcoins looking very similar to Bitcoin, as I always say. Yeah, let's check the 4-hour. We were just on the 4-hour, weren't we? 1-hour. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't know if you're going to get past this right this second. So short term, maybe a little bit of a correction off of this resistance. Yeah, probably going to bounce off of this a little bit. Nothing alarming, just we'll have to see. We'll have to see. But yeah, RSI. Yeah, I would say you're probably going to cool off on VeChain short term, short term, you know. But yeah. Let's see. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I would say you're probably going to cool off a bit here. Definitely, I'm expecting probably a little bounce down like this. Maybe retest this area before coming back up. Sorry, that yelling before, guys, messed my voice up a little bit. I feel like you guys might not be able to hear me. Okay, all right, VeChain. Oh, wow, we got VeChain people in the house. Let's go. Guys, creeping up towards 300 likes. I like it. I like the 300 likes. 262, smash the like button, guys. If you want 3 wheel spins at the end of the show, Get it up to 300. I think we could do it. We usually do. I think we can get there. Hashtag Frankie ASMR. Let's go. Yeah, you guys like that? Here, I'll give you a little more. I'll give you one more sip. That little squeak was part of the ASMR. Here you guys go. Here you go. Here's a little bit of Frankie Candles ASMR. And there you go. There's your nightly ASMR. Another coffee ASMR. And maybe I'll hit you with a little bit of that cheddar cheese. You know what I'm saying? There you go. A little bit of that bread ASMR. A little bagel ASMR. All right. If scalp trading, what is the best time frame? Working man, never have enough time. Okay. Who's that? Main Wayne. Main Wayne. I like that name. Main Wayne. I like that name. What's going on, man? So I would recommend, if you're busy and you're working a lot, I would not recommend scalp trading. Scalp trading requires you to be looking at the charts pretty often. I would recommend more of a swing trading strategy, or a day trading strategy. Yeah, I would say swing trading, right? You're holding a trade for like a few days, but yeah, that way you're getting in. You could check it once in a while. If you're in profit, you can move your stop loss up into profit, and then at that point, you're worry free. Right? If it comes back down and hits your stop loss, you make money anyway. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend scalping if you're very, very busy and working a lot. It's just, you have to look at the charts too often, and you'll be all, it'll be very stressful. So I would recommend a little bit of a longer term strategy, maybe like swing trading, and then, have some long-term investments. So yeah, that's my best advice to you. Let's see. Oh no, it's going to zero. Bitcoin's going to zero. Oh no. Oh no. Yep, he's right, guys. Bitcoin's over. Go home. Bitcoin's over. It's crashing. It's going to zero. That's it. It's over. What a bad time to start the channel, right when Bitcoin goes to zero. I'm kidding, obviously, guys. Let's see. On a serious note, I do appreciate the value your channel brings to us common folk, including Ben's channel and Meta Money as well. Your organization is the people's organization. Will, you don't know how much that means, not only to me, but to everybody else here. Because, when you're working on the internet like we do, you deal with a lot of hate and a lot of people making assumptions about who we are as people that are just plainly not true. And everybody here's goal is sincerely to benefit the people. Everybody here who has a channel and is helping people cares more about their community than they do themselves. I know these people very, very personally. They are my friends. I know them on a personal level. They all care so much more deeply about their community and helping people than they do about their own pockets. So we all appreciate that very much. And I did just want to say that to you into the camera, because that means more than you think. It's good to know that we are helping people, and we appreciate that a lot. I know Ben and Meta Money and everybody appreciates that. So thank you. Thank you. I am glad. Clip that, somebody. But we do appreciate that, because we put a lot of work in, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy to run these channels. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And we do it to help other people. Like I always say, I genuinely get more excited when you guys win trades than when I win trades. I like helping you guys. I've always been like that as a person. I like helping other people. And the fact that I can help people that I don't even know is insane to me. So thank you for that. We love our communities. Okay. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. And that was Will. Thank you, Will. We love you. V-Chain Gang, let's go. How do you think my New York Rangers NFT I bought will do in value? Hey, Dan Totten, what's going on, man? What's going on? I would say, listen, I mean, a Rangers NFT, I was actually talking to somebody in the office about this. I think like the official sports NFTs that come from I assume the Rangers were a big part of that. It's like an official Rangers NFT. Yeah, man, I would hold that thing. I don't know if you got it, like if you minted it or you got it because you went to a game. But we were talking about how, you get a lot of people got NFTs when they went to the World Series this year. Like I would hold that. In 10 years, maybe that would be something where like someone's like, oh my God, it's a real World Series NFT from 10 years ago. Like it might be highly sought after. I would hold it. I don't know what you paid for it. If you don't mind holding it, if it goes down in value, then I would just hold that thing for a long time, like you would hold like a rare Pokemon card or something. because it's a legitimate thing, right? The Rangers are not going to zero, like Boss Monkey board tatted up Doobie Brothers NFT is going to happen. Like those things can go to zero. I don't think that an official Rangers NFT will go to zero. So yeah, I would hold that. My ear can't handle the ASMR. Rafi, I'm sorry about that. Let's see. Thanks for the audio files. Absolutely, Cobra Kai. I got you. It's the ah. Tony says it's the ah at the end for me. Yeah, that's my favorite part too. Let's see. Smash them likes. Loving this sauce. Illusion of Hope. I appreciate that. Let's see. Spicy meat sauce. Illusions of Hope says spicy meat sauce. Let's go. Charts on Gala. We'll look at Gala right now. Will we get another chance under 30 cents, guys? I came on the stream the other day and I told you guys I bought a little bit of Gala at 30 cents. So it actually did turn out to be a pretty good buy. Let's see. Will we get another shot at 30 cents? Let's take a look. Coming over to the daily. Okay. Yeah, I mean, maybe we're basically in this little downtrend here. Breaking out. We're trying to break out. It's scratching at the door. Trying to break out. That is nice. That is a pretty clean. That's pretty clean. Got the daily VWAP and the confirmed green dot. I don't know if you're gonna see 30 cents like tomorrow in the future. Probably. But yeah, that 30 cent area was probably we were coming down to this level, this fib level. That's what I bought. I saw us coming down. I bought that fib level, waited until it came a little lower, bought a little bit more, and now we're on our way up. But we did call that out on the stream if you guys were watching. So definitely important to tune in and watch these streams and get these calls. Not the crazy Gala call that we had, but that was down here. I was saying this is a good buy for Gala at about 18 cents because you could see this is basically as low as it's gone, other than before this, but. In this current trend, this is the lowest we came. So I was like, guys, that looks like a good buy. And then the next day, boom. Great call. Love it. But yeah, I don't think you're going to see 30 cents, tomorrow, if that's what you're asking. But yeah, this was your prime. If you couldn't get in here, right, you ripped. You had a little bit of a correction, came to this fib level. That's why I bought there and a little bit below. And then you're probably going to have another leg up. Maybe maybe you break this resistance. You get past this high here. We set a higher high. That's kind of what I'm looking at here. 273 likes, guys. So close to 300. Let's get it up there. If you want to spin this wheel. Okay, let's see. We appreciate you guys more than you know. Hey, Mr. Ali, I appreciate that. Frankie, can you pin your Twitter in chat? Yes, I can. I will do it right now. It is at Frankie_candles. There you go. And we're going to send it and we're going to pin it. So yeah, guys, if you guys are not following me on Twitter, check that pinned comment or that pinned chat and go follow me on Twitter. Let's see. Let's see. Well, what's it? I get goosebumps thinking about helping out others, even a fraction of what the Bit Squad has done for me. Yes, Bubba's, I love that. We got a good community in here. Mana going crazy. We'll take a look at Mana in a second. Let's see. Sup, Frankie? I'm late, but I'm here. Hey, Chaz, welcome. Welcome back. We are happy to have you, whether you're on time, late, or just tuning in at the end of the stream. We're happy to have you. Let's see. But take your shoes off at the door because my Italian grandma will hit you with a wooden spoon if you don't take your shoes off at the door. I wouldn't care, but my grandma does. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. Limited edition NFT. Yeah, Danny Boy. Dan, I would hold that. Oh, yeah, Todd, I would hold that. Yeah, hold it. I don't know how much you paid for it. I don't know if you got it for free, whatever it is. But if you don't mind holding it through a bear market, if we do wind up going down, crypto goes into a bear market. If you don't know, if you don't mind holding it for, a little while, I would just hold on to that thing. And then the next cycle, that thing will probably go up. Let's see. Defo got a bag of Gala. Let's go. Yeah, Eric's making money on Gala. Let's go. Jimmy Two Shoes. Do the like smash. Thanks for that, Jimmy. Love it. To the moon. What did I see? Frankie, how does it feel to have a better stream than ATB? Hashtag bing bong. Hey, I don't think we're quite hitting ATB numbers. But hey, I think we do have the best community. We definitely have the best community. And I know the ATB squad and the Bit squad are part of that. So thank you guys for coming on over from those channels. I always, even before I had the channel, I always admired Ben's community that he's built. You know, we go to the meetups and these people are just the most down to earth, the coolest people you ever meet. So I've always been, I've always loved the community that I've always loved the Bit Squad, I guess is what I can say. The Bit Squad is just a bunch of really, really cool people. But I appreciate that. Lost Profit, appreciate that. Let's see. LFG, 20 more, 280, baby. Let's go, 282. We're almost there, guys. We're almost at 300. Almost at 300. Okay, what were we gonna look at? You said mana was going crazy, right? Let's take a look-see here. Let's take a look-see. Mana. Mana going nuts. All right, let's come down to the one. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay. Okay, there you go. Right, we're popping right out of the golden pocket, right? So now at this point, guys, right, we were looking for possible possible rejection off of the golden pocket for a short opportunity. At this point, you know, we still could, come back down and, still reject off it. But at this point, if we can close above it and get another candle up here, we would be looking for maybe a bounce to the upside off of the golden pocket, similar to what happened right here, right? Boom, you came through, right, and then you retested it, and then you bounced. So maybe we'll see what happens if you could get a bounce off of that golden pocket. We could look for a trade right there. But yeah, look at her go. Look at her go. Mana. Oh, mana. That thing's pumping. That was corny, guys. I'm real sorry about that. I'm sorry the guys had to sit through that. Anyway. Man, did we do ADA yet? I can't remember. Rich, I'll tell you what. We didn't do ADA yet, but we will do it now. Okay. ADA fighting that $1.10, that psychological resistance at $1.10. I guess, yeah. Yeah, can we get above that? Yeah, I mean, guys, if everything starts pumping right now with that daily VWAP, everything kind of looks decent right now. If we can get that to come up and, flip this into support and get a nice bounce to the upside, that would be nice. Probably looking... let's pull a fib on it. Let's pull a fib, guys. Fibonacci video coming out soon, guys. A spider line video, more highly... I haven't been using my spider line chart recently just because it does get very messy. But yeah, I mean, here's... look at that, guys. Spider line. Hold this spider line. Held this spider line. And held this spider line, right? Or same spider line, but held it in all these areas. Look how clean that is. Look how clean that is. So yeah, definitely great levels. Look at that. Boom, right off of there. And then right rejected. Look at that, guys. Boom, right off the spider line. Boom, right off the spider line. So if you guys want to know how to draw the spider lines, they're very powerful. They're free. I'm putting out the video tonight on how to draw them. So keep a lookout for that. There's going to be a spider on the thumbnail. So when you go on YouTube and you see that, you know what you're clicking on. And it doesn't take too long. It's pretty simple. It's simpler than most people think. But there is a specific way to do it. So definitely check out that video. But yeah. So I mean, where's our next spider line? Yeah, not really that close. But let's pull a fib on this. Boom. Boom. Right, golden pocket. Look at that. Coming up to the golden pocket. Wicking above the golden pocket. Not as strong of a blast through of the golden pocket as we did get on Gala, right? A little bit of a slower move up. Not as much gusto. You do have this smaller candle here. So yeah, maybe what's Market Cipher B looking like? Come on. All right, there we go. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Okay. Maybe, guys, just maybe. Let's see from here to here. Yeah, guys. Look, if we get a green dot here, if it does not continue to go up and we get a green dot, or I'm sorry, a red dot there, you got that line momentum coming down, and where is it? You got from here, you got price coming up. Could be a good short opportunity. Plus, you have the golden pocket, right? You have the golden pocket acting as resistance. So could be a good short opportunity if that confirms as a bearish divergence. I might have said bullish before. This would be a bearish divergence with price coming up, right? Price coming up like that. Hang on. Let me get a let me get a little closer so you guys can see a little more clearly. There's those random lines that we all love. Okay, so if we get right nice and zoomed in here, let me crunch it up a little bit. Yeah, if you get where is it? Boom. Right, so you get here. Where is that candle? Right here. Right, so momentum coming down, and you got price coming up, right? Price coming up. You get those alligator mouths. That open mouth is what you're looking for a bearish divergence. Could be, and plus you have the confirmation of the golden pocket. Could be a good shorting opportunity if this confirms. Not financial advice. Just trying to show you guys. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Bought gal at 30 when you talked about it. Held some cash back on the side and was able to get some at 27. Also, as you spoke about. Thanks, Frankie. Crypto Sasquatch. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not gonna throw this because I gotta rush out of here when we're done. I don't want to have to pick up too much money. But here you go. You get $500 for that Crypto Sasquatch. Let's go. That's what I love to hear. That's what I love to hear. And yeah, that's great. That's great. That's basically exactly what I was able to catch. A little bit at 30, a little bit at like 26, 27, and then you take that ride up. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. We're out here. We're out here. Love me some spiders. Crypto Anon says hashtag spider sauce. Let's go. Let's go. Big shout out to all the friends and moderators helping and answering questions in the chat. Yes, absolutely. Shout out to our moderators, Tyler, TD, Captain Kirk. Haven't seen Captain Kirk in a couple streams. Was she in here earlier? I don't know. But yes, I think she said she was busy. I did see she left a comment, but I'm sure she'll be back. But yeah, thank you, Tony, and thank you, Tyler. You guys are crushing it. Let's see. Dan Totten says, just put my first order in for the sauce, for your sauce, bro. Should have told me it was vodka sauce. Would have ordered it weeks ago. That's right. Hey, we're all about the vodka sauce. We're all about the vodka sauce. Penne vodka is like one of my favorite meals. Very basic Italian meal, but it's almost like the basic Starbucks girls that they say. It's like basic Italian guy, penne vodka. Yeah, we got the vodka sauce over here. We got the penne vodka. We got penne vodka. We got pasta fagioli, gabagool, whatever you got, whatever you need. Oh God, guys, check out a young picture of Frankie Candles on his live stream on February 14th. Yesterday at about an hour and 32 minutes into the stream, I showed a picture of me when I was like 12 years old with a Pauly D haircut. So if you guys are into laughing at me and making me feel embarrassed, definitely check out yesterday's stream at about an hour and 21 minutes. Also, if you want to watch the whole stream, I drop a lot of value sauce in there too. Still trying to get the sauce off my shirt from yesterday. I was giving you guys a lot. Not as much as today. I'm giving away all the secrets here. But don't worry. The videos are going to have more secrets. I didn't give it all away. So, yeah. Love this community, John says. Yes, we love you, John. That was great stuff on Ada, bro. Rich, no problem. No problem. I'm trying to give you guys that value. Like and share, guys. Help this man to 300. Totten, thank you for that. Thank you for that, dude. I appreciate you out here trying to get that like. It's so close, right? It's hard to see that number, 294. And Totten wants to see that. Dan Totten wants to see that go to 300. So he said it, not me. I mean, I'm just out here reading the chat, guys. Let's see. Yes, hashtag miss Donna. We miss Donna. Donna's Captain Kirk. We miss her. She'll be back soon, I'm sure. She's probably busy. She's probably busy making that money. All right, let's see. Everyone who has not hit that like button, please hit it. Crypto Anon, thank you for that. Let's see. Thank you for looking at Phantom earlier from me, bro. Yeah, Jesse, was it you yesterday? Kept asking for it. I forgot. I'm sorry. But we got it today. I remembered. And I did feel bad. Everyone needs a Bubba. Let's see. Okay. Oh, chat going nuts. All right. Let's see. 5 more. 295 LFG. Let's go. 297, guys. We're about to crack it, guys. We're about to crack the resistance. Let's see. How about some Asabuco? Let's see. Smash them likes. Oh, God, we got everybody saying smash those. Okay, yeah, you guys are focused on the likes. Let's go. How about Solana? Let's go. Checking out Solana right here. You asked for it, we give it to you. Here we go. That's what we're all about here. Okay. Let us see. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. All right. So here we go. Okay, coming up to this fib level. Maybe, I think, was that the 1 hour we were just looking at? Yeah, so maybe this green dot brings us up to this fib level, and then maybe it's similar to what we were just looking at if we can confirm, you know, momentum coming down. Is this going to be a bearish divergence or no? Yeah, and then you have price coming up. Could be a bearish divergence plus the confirmation of this fib level. Guys, get the notebooks out. Get the notebooks out. You got the confirmation of the fib hitting this fib level right here. This green line right here. I don't know why I can't move my mouse straight left and right. But you got this green line here plus the open jaws, as we say, the alligator mouth for the bearish divergence. It could be a good shorting opportunity. So let's keep an eye on that and see if we can. Let's see if we can nail that. Let's see if we can nail that. But yeah, we're going to have to see. We're going to have to see. But there you go. There's Sol. One more call for AVAX. Okay, I got you. Good thing you put one more call because I saw it. I saw it. AVAX USD. It's on here, so we will not forget. I just want to... Dan Totten says, you got to see the picture, guys. He has enough wax in his hair to actually be a candle. Oh, God, you guys... now they're going to clip that, and there's going to be a picture of me going around the internet. Oh, my God, it kind of looks like my hair's on fire, too. Guys, I've been Frankie Candles since I was 12. Dan Totten, thank you for pointing that out. I've been Frankie Candles since I was 12 years old. You got the wax in the hair. It looks like fire. I mean, I've been destined to be Frankie Candles. This is it. This is all coming to fruition here. That's pretty funny. Let's see. 300 likes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm going to throw this lightly so I don't have to clean it up as bad. Let's go. One landed almost in my coffee. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 300 likes. Boom. That's 3 wheel spins. What are we at here? Hour 51 minutes, guys. Let's go a little solo. Let's go a little solo shot, a little FaceTime here. And let's go ahead and use one of our spins. You got three of them, so let's use one of them. But first, let's oh no, did someone steal my expo marker? Oh no, it's right here. Okay, so let's spin the wheel. Let me make sure I got all 3 people. All right, MC Crypto, Sheldon, and who was the other one? And Blanchard's Bees are the giveaway winners. So we're gonna spin this wheel until it lands on one of your names, and when it lands on your name, we're gonna get you your Ledger Nano S. So we got MC Crypto, Blanchard's Bees, and oh god, and Sheldon. Okay. Hopefully, I don't know if we saw Sheldon in the chat, but if he watches this stream, you're gonna have a little while to reach out and collect your Ledger Nano S if you win. I think MC and Blanchard are in here. So here we go. Let's see who it's gonna be. We might have to spin it a few times, but let's go. Big money, let's go, big money. All right, no one. Here we go, big money, guys. I hope we don't have to spin this like 50 times. That's 2 giveaways in a row, guys. Those giveaway spots are hot. All right, let's see. Wheel of Fortune. Oh, little ASMR. Might take a little while to land on these guys. Let's see. Oh, BBC shout out. Let's see. Imagine we're just here all night. Hopefully we're not here all night. Oh. Maybe, so guys, definitely the giveaway is not going to be done with the wheel. The random giveaways will, but with people's names it's not, because we are, who knows how long it's going to take us to hit these, to get these names. Oh. All right, guys, nobody gets the ledger. Jeez, this is rough, guys. Austin C, best internet. All right. Not good, guys. I don't think anyone's getting this ledger. Jeez. Keep them coming. Giveaway. Guys, we're going to hit one of them. What are the chances of that? I get a little bit of a harder spin here. Good Lord. Is this thing rigged? It's kind of always going to the same spot, right? Maybe this thing is rigged. Oh! MC Crypto. There it is. Finally, we only had to spin it 752.6 times, but MC Crypto. Come on, Blue. Blanchard's V says, come on, Blue. Jimmy says, forget about it. Assign them a color. That would have been much, yeah. See, that's why I got you guys. That's why I got you guys got the big brains. You know what I'm saying? MC, if you are in chat still, go ahead and give me some contact information or hit me up on Twitter. I don't know if you want to air out your email or whatever, or give me your Twitter name and I will contact you just so I know that a scammer does not contact me and try to steal your ledger, because that has happened with, I think that has happened with other people. So yeah, MC, give me your Twitter or something and I will reach right out to you. Or to actually, yeah, look at that. Yeah, congratulations, man. I will give you, there's a couple here. This one's ripped. I'm not sending you that one. Look at this one, perfectly sealed, brand new, Ledger Nano S, 4MC Crypto. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. This thing's awesome. So yeah, I will get in touch with you and I will have this sent out ASAP so you can get your crypto stored safely. So yeah, congrats to you guys. If you didn't win, it's okay. I say if you didn't win, like everyone else didn't win. So for those of you who do want to try to win, we're going to be giving away another one next week, and maybe we'll give away a Cardano NFT tomorrow or maybe the next day. We will give a Cardano NFT away this week. But yeah, so just keep an eye on the stream. Ledger Nano next week, Cardano NFT sometime this week, and yeah, that's and that's it. That's our first giveaway, guys. Not a bad giveaway. I'm not 100% sure how much these things cost. I think they're over $100 though. So there you go. Just a little more of that hashtag value. You watch the stream, now you got a free cold storage wallet. What's better than that? What's better than that? In case MC doesn't contact you, my Twitter is Ethereum111. Lol, hee hee. Rich, I got you. I like your Twitter name. I'll take the ripped one, Blanchard says. Hey, we still got another one. Chris says that's legit. Congrats. Well done, MC. Thomas says he's sad, but hey, Thomas, next week we're giving away another one. You could win, or maybe you get the NFT. You never know. I think the giveaways are gonna be fun on this channel. Hope you didn't get this ledger on eBay. No, they are not. They are not from eBay. Don't worry. And they are not. Don't worry. This is legit, guys. This is legit. We are all winners. Crypto Anon, I like your attitude. We are definitely all winners, guys. We got 300 likes. Let's go. Super pumped about that. Let's see. How do I get Cardano NFT? Farouk, I hope I said your name right. The terms aren't out yet. But I will announce it in an upcoming stream very soon, sometime this week. Probably what I'm going to do is we'll do like you have to like, subscribe, share, something like that. Just like a typical giveaway type thing. And then I'm going to run the names through a random name picker. We're not going to do it with the chat because there was delay. And some people were saying I sent it first. And I could understand that that's kind of my fault. I didn't realize there was going to be so much of a delay. But yeah, we'll do it in a better way next time. But yeah, so Pluto NFT, maybe. I do know the guys over at Pluto Alliance. I actually live with one of them. No, yeah, maybe we could talk to them. Maybe we could work something out. But yeah, Cardano NFTs to come for sure. I know they're popping right now. But yeah, let's see. I feel like a winner every stream. Hashtag value. Hey, Mr. Ali. Yeah, let's not forget. We're giving you the sauce for free. We're giving you the nanos for the ledgers for free too, but you don't have to win the sauce. I just give the sauce to everybody. So y'all are winners. Ooh, I said y'all. I hope any of my New York friends, if they're in the chat, I'm gonna get roasted for saying y'all. Oh boy, guys, it's gonna be a rough night. Let's see. Thanks, Frankie. Nice giveaway. Peace out, everyone. Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's. I guess we could wind down here. I'll leave you off with one more. Sip here. Okay, guys, I promise you that is the last one I will do. But yeah, guys, Thank you so much for being here. Like I said before, I appreciate this community so much. You guys are the best. And I can't believe there were a lot of people in chat saying that they were making money just directly off of listening to me quite a few times in chat today. So that is exactly how I want this channel to go. That makes me happier than ever. So super happy I'm able to do that for you guys. And yeah, congratulations to MC Crypto for winning the Ledger, guys. Cardano NFT giveaway coming soon. Thank you for coming by the channel where I show you how to make money, how to make that bread, feta cheese, whatever you want to call it, the bagels, the baguettes, collect the baguette, finagle the bagel, whatever you got to do. We're going to get this money, guys. Thank you for coming by. I love every single one of you, and I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow, 5:45, same time. Frankie Candles out.
Tyler Ramos. 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 Tyler Ramos.